Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 18-inch training wheels is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your child's first bicycle, ensuring a smooth transition from wobbly starts to confident rides. Finding the right set means considering factors like adjustability, durability, ease of installation, and of course, safety features that will give both you and your child peace of mind as they learn to ride. Number 5. Flash Mute Will Stabilizer Kit. Introducing training wheels designed to help young cyclists build confidence and balance. They're easy to install and adjust, making learning to ride a bike a safer and more enjoyable experience. These stabilizers provide stability and support, allowing children to focus on riding without fear of falling. They're made from high-quality, durable materials for long-lasting use. They fit most 12 to 20-inch children's bikes, making them a versatile choice for many families. Just make sure your bike axle is compatible before installation. Enjoy a quiet and smooth ride with these lightweight, noiseless training wheels. The anti-slip rubber ensures a stable and secure grip on the ground. Everything you need for installation is included, along with simple instructions. Adjust the height for a perfect fit as your child grows. With these training wheels, your child will be riding confidently in no time. Contact us anytime if you have any questions or need assistance. What we like? It fits most bikes and is super quiet, so your child can learn to ride without disturbing the neighbors. If you need a versatile and peaceful training wheel solution, this is it. If you prioritize ease of installation and a wide compatibility, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The installation process was so easy. Once installed, the wheels added an extra layer of stability that transformed our bike from a tipsy tower of instability into a reliable ride. The Mute wheels are a game changer. Gone are the days of clunky, noisy training wheels that sound like they're auditioning for a role in a horror film. These wheels glide so quietly. Number 4. PRUNUS Flash Bike Training Wheels. Before you begin, ensure that both studs have at least 0.4 inches of visible length to accommodate the training wheel brackets. These training wheels fit 14, 16, 18, and 20-inch bicycles. Their design is both functional and fun, perfect for your child's bike. The double high-carbon steel bearings are smooth and quiet, and the larger washer keeps everything securely in place, ensuring a safe ride for your child. With a 3 mm thick bracket, 20% thicker than standard, they're built to last and provide extra support and safety for your child. Installation is a breeze. The included wrenches and locking brace make setup simple. Adjust them so they're about 5 mm from the ground for optimal balance. They light up, adding extra fun for your child at night. It's a great way to add some excitement to their bike rides. These training wheels make a fantastic gift for any child learning to ride a bike. It's a present that will bring them hours of joy and confidence. What we like? This one's built tough with a reinforced bracket, so it can handle more wear and tear. If your child is a bit rough on their bike, this is the one to get. If you are looking for extra durability and a fun light-up feature to keep your child engaged, this is the best option. What people say. Awesome instructions with actual photos of the pieces and assembly. No silly diagrams. Real high-quality stuff. Sturdy wheels that the actual brackets are reinforced to prevent bending. Work like a charm. Adjust to any bike size. The product arrived on time, and it took me less than 10 minutes to install it thanks to the easy-to-follow instructions. It's now ready for my little one to ride. Number 3. Wald W10252 Training Wheels. Installing these training wheels is a breeze. Just make sure you have at least 3/8 of an inch of axle showing beyond the axle nut on both sides of the rear wheel for a proper fit. They're designed to fit bikes with 0.75 and 1-inch rear frame tubes using the included adapters. It also fits 1.25-inch tubes without the adapters. These training wheels boast 512-inch plated steel wheels with rubber tires, built to last. They're perfect for young riders learning to balance. They're designed for single-speed bikes and support riders up to 100 pounds. It provides stability and confidence as your child learns to ride. Remember, these training wheels are designed exclusively for single-speed bicycles. They are not compatible with multi-speed bikes. With these training wheels, your child will be riding confidently in no time. Get yours today and watch them learn to ride. What we like. This is a simple, reliable option made with quality steel wheels. If you value a straightforward, time-tested design, this is for you. If you prefer a durable, no-frills design that's easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. These training wheels are great. My son's bike is a 16 bike and these fit perfectly on his bike. The training wheels were incredibly easy to attach and didn't affect the chain or anything else. Well designed with added support on the bike stays, these are heirloom quality training wheels. These are the third set of training wheels we have gotten and the first set that will not bend. The wheels on these are larger in diameter and made of steel, so they are much sturdier than the other aluminum training wheels. Just superb quality all the way around. Number 2. HAWENS Mute Flash Bike Wheels. These training wheels are designed to make learning to ride a bike fun and quiet. They're made with high-quality materials for durability and a smooth ride. With sturdy ABS wheels and steel components, they provide stability and confidence for young riders. It helps your child develop balance safely. Everything you need for quick and easy installation is included. No more struggling with complicated setups. They fit most single-speed bikes with wheel sizes from 12 to 20 inches. They're designed to support riders up to 100 pounds. The durable rubber and plastic construction ensures a quiet and smooth ride, so your child can enjoy the experience without disturbing others. They're also wear-resistant for long-lasting use. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer support team is here to help. What we like. These wheels are designed to be quiet and durable, ensuring a smooth learning experience for your child. If you want a reliable and quiet set of training wheels that are easy to install, this is a great option. If you want a smooth, quiet ride without sacrificing durability, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The wheels come nicely boxed. You get all the hardware, plus a wrench and socket to attach. Our little bike has 16-inch tires, and as you can see in the photos, the bracket has multiple holes and it can be adjusted to a smaller or bigger tire. The wheel seems to have good rubber. I also like the stabilizer brackets. You get two kinds and I opted to go with the longer one. Easy to put together, very cute. My daughter loves them on her Barbie bike. They are super cute, work well, and my daughter loves them. Number 1. Kids Bike's Silent Training Wheels. These training wheels are designed for a smooth, quiet ride, helping your child learn to balance and enjoy cycling. They're perfect for building confidence. They're compatible with 12 to 20-inch single-speed bikes, making them a versatile choice for many children's bicycles. Just double-check compatibility with your specific bike model. Made with durable rubber and high-quality steel, it provides a safe and stable experience for your child's first cycling adventures. They're built to last. The non-slip, wear-resistant design ensures a secure and confident ride, allowing your child to focus on learning. It's all about building their skills and having fun. Everything you need is included: wheels, bolts, washers, and instructions. Installation is simple, so you can get your child riding in no time. If you have any questions about these training wheels, please contact us via email. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. What we like. This set is designed for a wide range of bikes and offers a quiet, safe riding experience. If you need a versatile and safe training wheel for your child's bike, this is a great choice. If you are looking for a reliable and safe option that fits most bikes, this is the one for you. What people say. They're sturdy, easy to install, and provide just the right amount of support to keep the bike steady as my child learns balance. The design is simple but effective, and they don't get in the way as they transition to riding without them. They are very sturdy and stable and able to use on a bigger wheel diameter than I'm using. My picture is on a 16 inches diameter wheel. There is 2 additional holes above for larger wheels, and each hole is slightly elongated to allow a more custom height fit. Installation was a piece of cake, really, and I was able to get them onto the 17 and 20-inch bikes no problem. These things are as sturdy as they come. Took a few tumbles, but they're holding up great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.